AppleTech news, everything about Apple in one place.
Today we are unboxing the Soho Automatic Bundle, a watch that combines elegance, precision and timeless design. Right out of the box, the presentation is sleek and premium. The Soho Automatic features a stainless steel case, a skeletonized dial and an automatic movement. That means no batteries, just the power from your wrist. Every detail is designed for sophistication. The exposed gears show off its intricate mechanics, making it a true collector's piece. With the Soho Bundle, you also get interchangeable straps to change your style in seconds, whether it's a classic leather look or a modern stainless steel finish. Comfortable, stylish and made to last. This is a watch for those who appreciate design and functionality. The Soho Automatic Bundle, because time should always be on your side. Buy now. Link in description.